Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. I have developed the Instagram profile data scraping bot, and I'm gonna run this application. This data scraper will scrap the data from Instagram. And before running this, make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. That was a prerequisite for this. I have already an Insta profile. I am not a regular user, so this profile is not working. I'm not upload content daily. So the thing I want to show you that it is basically the data was already scrapped. I have this piece of data related to the fitness niche, and you can see this. I mentioned the link of this Google Sheet into Google Chrome, and one of the prime requirement including the sheet including email address. So stop wasting your precious time and starting this video. And here is it. Make sure you have open Chrome browser, Instagram already login. So I'm gonna run this. Before running this, make sure that you have the URLs list of URLs loaded into the urls.txt file. I have already loaded, and now I'm gonna start this scrapping bot. So here is it, and let's start this. And I'm gonna click on play button, Visual Studio Code Editor, and total URLs has been loaded 13. So here is it. Now the crawler start. As you can see this, it start working, and one by one you can notice this. It's simply basically what I'm gonna do is trying to scrap the data of skincare profiles. So it may take some sort of time. One by one it is scrap data. Basically it's a browser based automation solution. So as we can see, it's when once it open the website, it go to the contact page, automatically navigate to the contact page URL. It may take some piece of time, and then you can see this. It automatically navigate to contact page, and scrap email addresses and contact information. So as you can see this, so overall this was take too much time. I'm just my ultimate my ultimate goal is to assure this that how the data was scrapped. I'm gonna pause this video for some sort of time, and later on I will show you that how this data was scrapped. This crawler was 110% working, and it generating result in the scrap data. So I'm gonna pause this, and the way to pause this scraper by simply wait. Pause this, and after, so here is it. here is the data that I have scrapped, and as you can see it's contain only two email address and phone number, because most of the profiles have not mentioned this. So if the data was publicly available, and here is the other piece of information that account was verified or non-verified, and this shows social media links. Some maybe some sort of error anomalies, we can work on it. So here is the complete you can say description, and it was the data. So I hope you guys are really satisfying with the video. Let me show you about the Medium article that I have write down, and also mention the link into my description. And here is the article. So in this article I've explained all the required aspects related to this scrapper I have developed. And I now the question arises in your mind, why I don't take too many profiles, because it may take some times, a lot of time required, because as we know all, this is not a API based solution. So this article contains all the required piece of information. You must read this, and I hope you really guys enjoying this piece of video. If you need this, you can directly order this. This is not a paid. I mentioned my Upwork account, LinkedIn profile link into my contact. So I hope this video clear all the required doubts related to Instagram scraping. Yes, we can scrap data, but through different approaches we can scrap information. So thank you very much for this. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.